Hello friends, welcome to Royal Chess Club. My name is Murugan. I'm a federating chess player, chess coach. This video topic, Decoy chess tactic sacrifice. I explain Decoy sacrifice. You will understand Decoy sacrifice advantages. First advantage, checkmate. Second advantage, gain a material or piece. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe Royal Chess Club and follow Royal Chess Club Facebook page. Now, tactics Decoy sacrifice. First puzzle, checkmate advantage in this game. First move, white to play, knight f6 check. Two options, king h8 or pawn capture, knight. King move, h8 immediate checkmate, queen f8 immediate checkmate. So only possible move, forced move, pawn capture, knight. Queen f8 decoy sacrifice. Second decoy, first knight decoy sacrifice. Second queen decoy sacrifice. Only move, queen take, king take, queen. Two material loss. Brilliant combination. Bishop h6. Only move, king g8, rook e8, checkmate. White win this game. Checkmate advantage. Puzzle number 2, decoy sacrifice. White to play. White gain a material advantage. Second advantage. First move, white to play. Rook d8. Knight pin, absolute pin cannot open. Two options. One is rook into king into rook or king e7. Rook, king into rook. Now knight is absolute pin. Knight cannot open. Bishop in the knight. Absolute pin. Queen take queen. Gain a material. White get clear winning advantage. Black resign this game. See the position. White to play. Guess a move. What is the best move? Sacrifice. Best move sacrifice. Bishop e5 check. Decoy sacrifice. Compulsory move. Second move, continuation, queen f4 check, king move, e6 only move, skewer tactics, queen take, queen back piece, white gain a material. If you like this video, give me a like, share and subscribe Royal Chess Club YouTube channel and the Royal Chess Club Facebook page. Thank you.